In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your PDFs using DocFly. First, open your browser and head to the DocFly website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In option at the top. Click that, then choose Sign In with Google. When the Google prompt appears, select your account to continue. After you're signed in, you'll land on your DocFly dashboard. From here, click the PDF you want to edit to open it in the editor. Inside the editor, let's start with adding or updating text. Select the text tool, then click anywhere on the page to drop a text box and start typing. You can move the box, resize it, and adjust styling like font, size, and color so it blends naturally with the rest of the document. This is great for fixing typos, adding notes, or filling in form fields that aren't interactive. If you need to remove or cover existing content, choose the whiteout tool. Click and drag over the area you want to hide. This places a clean block over that section, helping you tidy up the document. Keep in mind that whiteout visually covers content. If you're sharing sensitive information, double check that the underlying text isn't still accessible in other apps. To include pictures, click Image and upload the file from your device. Position it where you want, then scale or rotate it as needed. This is perfect for adding logos, stamps, or visual references. For signatures, select Signature. You can draw your signature, type it in a script style, or use a saved one, then place it directly on contracts or forms. Make sure it sits neatly on the signature line and matches the document's layout. For freehand notes or quick markups, use the Draw option. It's handy for circling items or sketching simple annotations. If you want to make parts of your PDF clickable, choose Link and drag over text or a region, then add the destination URL or email. This makes your document more interactive and user-friendly. To emphasize information, insert shapes like rectangles or lines to highlight sections, and add icons when you need simple visual indicators. These elements help structure your content and guide readers' attention. When everything looks good, click Save to secure your changes, then proceed to export. Follow the prompts to finalize and download your edited PDF. Before you close the editor, give your document a quick review to make sure links work, text aligns properly, and images look crisp. And that's it. You've just edited a PDF with DocFly quickly and cleanly.